the activation of an Amber Alert from North Judson, Indiana, which is 121 miles northwest of Indianapolis. The victim, Saxon Clemens, is a 2-year-old white male, 2 feet 4 inches tall, 30 pounds, blonde hair with blue eyes, and last seen wearing blue and gray sweatshirt and a blue and gray sweatpants. Saxon was last seen on Thursday, February 5th, 2026 at 3 p.m. in North Judson, Indiana, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The suspect, Dwayne Clemens, is a 44-year-old white male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 180 pounds, with brown hair, brown eyes, last seen driving a silver 2017 Chevrolet Trailblazer with Indiana license plate CRS242. If you have any information on this incident, contact the Stark County Sheriff's Department at 574-772-3771 or 911. This concludes the Amber Alert.
Wow. First Amber Alert in a very long time, and especially of 2026. Okay. This is super early in the morning as I'm recording that. And no, that is not Family Matters. That is the crossover with Full House. I apparently had no idea it was, because as soon as I put on the channel and then I saw that up there. Now, I'm just gonna let it scroll. Let it scroll, let it scroll, let it scroll. Sorry, I had to. But yeah, I immediately got woken up by this thing. There we go. Oh, sorry. It's not focusing.